Django works on the basis of a series of templates. So we're going to store our templates in a new folder that we create called templates. I'm going to create mine in the base directory where I have my manage.py file. Start off by calling it templates. Because it's going to be many templates, I'm going to create another subdirectory under here called theta_images. It's the name of my app. So I now have a folder templates, the top level directory where the manage.py file is. Under that, I now have a new blank directory called theta_images. Before we can use the template directory that we just created right here, we need to adjust the settings.py file to tell it where we put the templates, because you can put it in different places. So the settings.py is under that gallery directory that is the app, but it's the same name as the project. So go to settings.py. There's only one settings.py. It's a bit tricky. We're going to create a constant in Python. A constant is all caps. We're going to set it equal to the location of the templates directory. Because different computers, Mac, Linux, Windows, they have a different file structure, we're using this special command, os.path. We're going to join it. It joins two different things. The first one is this base directory. And the second one is the name of the templates directory, which in this case is just templates. So when you open your settings.py, you already will have this base_directory. We're going to use that base and join it to the templates directory. Now we have a constant called templates_directory, which we can use. In the templates, there is a dictionary where we're going to put the templates, specify the templates directory. Now let's go back to the templates directory inside of theta_images inside the templates. Create a new file. Let's call it home.html. So on VS Code, I'm going to type an exclamation point. This is emmet, and it will install a base HTML template for testing. I'm going to type h1, enter, and it fills it in. Okay, if you don't have emmet installed, or you don't have this type of HTML template installed, you can also just type this one line here. H1, the brackets, this is a test page. So we now have our base template. In the views.py file, theta.images, we're going to adjust this. Instead of HTTP response, we're going to use render. Render is from here, Django shortcuts. Render takes 2 or 3 parameters. The first one is request, and the second one is the name of the location of the template. You don't have to specify templates, but you do have to specify the subdirectory. So this is a test page, works. We had specified it in the home.html template, which is in the template subdirectory. This h1 is what is appearing. To make it a little bit more interesting, let's go to grab a bootstrap template, getbootstrap.com, and we will copy a template from Bootstrap and drop it into our template on Django.